Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be showcasing you how to turn on or off your flashlight in two different ways on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's get started. Now the simplest and the easiest way is going to be pulling down from the top right corner to see the control menu. Here pull it down and you will see a flashlight icon, which is going to be looking like a flashlight, but it's written as torch. You can simply click on it and it's going to turn on the flashlight. Tap it again and it will turn off the flashlight. That's going to be the one way to do it. Now if you don't find the torch button here, tap on this edit button. Then tap on this plus add control button and then scroll down until you find utility section. Here you will find out the torch button. Tap on it and it's going to be added into the controls. Now another way to do it is using the physical button. Double tap on the power button and it will turn on the flashlight. Now in order to do that, what you need to do is to open up your settings, scroll down to advanced feature, tap on it and tap on the side button. Tap on double press, select torch. Now when you double press, it will turn on the torch. So basically these are the two methods through which you can turn on the torch on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.